Hi, Kainath. How are you?
Hi, guys. How are you?
So nice to see you after a long time again. I'm sure you're
Yeah,
busy all the
happening.
while. Working for home is
Yeah, I
not that
was like,
easy.
yeah.
It's a busy schedule, I'm
No,
sure.
I'm not working. I'm not working. Trust me, I'm jobless right now. Absolutely jobless, and I'm loving it.
Oh,
Loving
that's
this
best
side of
thing.
resting because
Yeah,
I worked so much till January end. It was like too hectic. And in
okay,
a way, I just got a break and I'm just relaxing and enjoying doing nothing.
great. That's the most difficult thing to do nothing, but I'm so happy to know you're doing flawlessly. And we
Yeah.
all are Rolling Stone. We all are Rolling Stone. We travel a lot, so hardly time to breathe, to relax, to sleep. So this has been a blessing in disguise. But yeah, working from home and making the most is a challenge, and I'm sure in the entire
I'm
session.
sure you're working from home. I can tell that. You look so happy.
Yeah, no, but yeah, but the type things which you should dream for to reboot our life, to connect with the people you wanted to. So God has given us that ample
Nice.
time to connect the
Absolutely.
friends, the
Absolutely.
associates, the colleagues you have not said hi for a long time. This we are
Yeah.
doing it at most and saying hello to them. So Karan, if you're
Yeah.
okay, we are set ready, then I would like to have the first question to you, if you're
Yeah, yeah.
okay to roll.
Let me just set my
So
phone because I
uh,
just quickly came. Yeah. Am I audible right now?
absolutely, absolutely. So
Yeah.
first thing, like with the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, that the lockdown has been a bold step. Everybody thought, how will this help the country? But believe me, everybody's self-discipline and civic sense has helped us to do an amazing work on a
Absolutely.
lockdown, which is helping us to come back to normal life very fast. Compared
In
to other
fact, you'll not
countries,
believe
our ratio,
I did lockdown. I did my own lockdown 1.5 months
wow,
ago. I had a event on the 21st of March. I cancelled it on my own even before the curfew was announced. Like nobody even
wow,
knew that it's coming. So I just stopped working on my own and I said no to all my events and I returned all the money gracefully. I told them
wow,
this life is really, really important for me. I have to live for my parents. So please take your money back. And many people from Madhya Pradesh and other cities, they were saying, Kainat, हमारे सिटी में इतना लॉकडाउन कुछ होने वाला नहीं है और हमारे सिटी में केसेस नहीं है तो आप आइए इवेंट करके चले जाइए तो मैंने बोला महाराष्ट्र में केसेस बहुत बढ़ने वाले हैं और बढ़ चुके हैं और लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है और ये इसके बहुत गंदे रिजल्ट्स होने वाले हैं तो मैंने उनको बोला कि मैं नहीं आऊंगी फ्लाइट में तो बिल्कुल नहीं बैठूंगी क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट से ही सब कुछ हो रहा था कितने हमारे केसेस हैं जिसमें
correct.
पुलिस सिक्योरिटीज हैं या फिर ग्राउंड स्टाफ है मैनी पीपल केम पॉजिटिव लेटर एंड आई टोल्ड देम मैं महाराष्ट्र से आपके स्टेट में लाना नहीं चाहती हूँ मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कल को मुझे पूरी पब्लिक ब्लेम करे कि पैसे कमाने के चक्कर में इवेंट्स के चक्कर में कायनात अरोड़ा की वजह से कोरोना वायरस हमारी स्टेट में आया तो मैंने खुद ही ईमानदारी के साथ पैसे रिटर्न करके मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया सब काम
Wow,
सो आई टुक
you
द
have
इनिशिएटिव ऑन माई
showcased the.
ओन
No, no, this is an amazing sign of a responsible citizen of the country, and
यस
I'm sure
यस
this should be communicated and through this platform. A lot of people will get that awareness. See, ultimately, everybody, celebrity like you, and we like we have to inspire people and being a self-discipline. So this is amazing. I'm
Absolutely. And
seriously
I've
that
been telling my
very
parents, my mom, dad, they stay in Saharanpur, which is in UP. It's not a very big city. And वहाँ पर इतने केसेस नहीं थे तो उनको लगा सब नॉर्मल है बट मैंने उनको प्रॉपर एजुकेशन फोन पे देनी शुरू कर दी थी कि कितना बुरा होने वाला है कितना बुरा हो सकता है कंसिडरिंग यूपी में क्राउड बहुत है पब्लिक बहुत है भीड़ बहुत आती है रिक्शे चलते हैं वहां पर कई कई जगह हमारे यहाँ वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट हाइजीन बहुत
uh,
लोग मेंटेन नहीं करते थे तो दैट इज वेरी बैड वी स्पिट ऑन द रोड्स तो वो उसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत खराब होते हैं तो पर्सनल हाइजीन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इन अ वे वी ऑल आर लर्निंग एंड इट्स एन आई ओपनर फॉर द एंटायर कंट्री एंड नेशन
that is amazing eye opener, and believe me, the way you have
या
initiated and self-discipline you have exhibited is one of its kind. I'm really, really
या
impressed. But what I
राइट
have just also realized with your blockbuster, you being a successful artist and a talent, and people look forward to you. And now I could see there's some diversification. You also have also ventured into wedding planning with the EMPL. You're on the board and you're doing that wedding planning as
यस
an amazing this with being
EMPL
both side of the coin, being a celebrity
थैंक यू
and
सो
being a
मच
planner. together the combination is very
Even you
amazing. So
are,
if you
even
can
you
share
have.
some.
We have the same, we both are in the same field, wedding planning, which is amazing platform according to me. And must say, great choice you have. If you have also, if you're doing the same thing and I have ventured into the same field, so that means we both have a great taste. Don't you think so?
Great, great. But
It's a
now
it's a huge
there's also
business.
there's always a charm of a lady luck, with beauty with brains,
Ah,
that exhibition. So
then
if you
you
can
should
throw
have
some
gotten
light.
me on board. You should have got me on board before EMPL got me on board. I would have loved
Yeah,
to
so
do that because I have a business mind more than anything else because I'm born to a business father. So I've got it from
oh,
there. So EMPL is event management planning, like a private limited company, and we plan events, destination weddings, corporate events. So I always was fascinated towards events because I do a lot of shows, performances, corporate events. So I thought, why not venturing into a field like that where we can do some
great.
creative stuff together and multiply the money
Correct.
together with the partners. So did
Exactly.
that recently, and then the coronavirus happened,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
No, no, no. There's a long way to go. But you remind me of my dear friend Sunil Shetty, that he utilized his stardom, and why not make the most with your stardom, which you enjoy, into multiple business,
Certainly.
so into
But
restaurants,
why
into
not? Why not?
outfit,
If
retail.
see, if you
Why
have
not?
the
Yeah,
fame, if you have the fame, if you have the mindset, and if you have that correct, like business mind, where you know you can do something in the creative field and you can multiply the business and generate some business out of it, and if you know you're good in creative aspects, so why not? And very few people I've seen who do films also, who are actors also, plus they're doing businesses also simultaneously. It's good to
correct.
be busy and it's important to do productive work and be occupied.
Amazing. That has to be the way of life, you know. Means the utilization max of your resources, your confidence, your talent, your education, and that's a, amazing thing to do. And I'm sure a lot of people who are
Yeah,
online today will also know your other side of your life. That apart from the glam show, you also a
yeah.
leading entrepreneur, getting into events business is the most enterprising, the most, and it complements both our lifestyle. You know, you've been on one part our celeb side,
Absolutely.
another part you being the execution and programming it. So it's going to be a nice mix. So congratulations for your this
So
venture. Anything
I
else
was
you'd
always
like to know from?
fascinated with creative stuff. I wanted to get into interior decoration as well. I wish if I was not an actor, then I would have pursued my career in interior decor. I wanted to study
Wow.
abroad. I wanted to explore more in life. But then I started doing modeling because it just happened by chance, and I'm now pursuing my career by choice. So creativity was always one thing which I was fascinated with, be it interiors or fashion designing or film line or anything, like even the industry we are in, it's all creative industry. So I was fascinated with that.
Amazing. Anything else you'd like to know about from our event industry, which you would like
Yeah,
to
I
know,
mean,
which I
I
can
have heard
address?
about you so much, and you're a doctor as well. And like, what a talented, intelligent, one package of person you are. I would love to know more about you. Like, how did you start
Yeah,
your wedding planning thing, and how come suddenly a doctor, and like, what you wanted to do? Like, I would love to know it all.
yeah. So the journey starts like this. 23 years back, there was a time where event management was very few people ventured into this emerging industry. There's no industry which is the way it is now. So that
So
point in
23 years
time,
back,
let's
23 years back,
yeah. So that is
23 years
correct.
back.
So that is the time which was 23 years back. That was the time when the automobile boom was there and telecom just entered India. So that's the time where she's Idea Cellular now was AT&T then. So they are the ones who came into telecom sector to India. So they wanted events to do it. And there was an automobile boom. Fiat came to India. So they wanted some lifestyle events to happen in the luxury segment. In the time we ventured into it. And
Wow.
when it came 2000, in the time the music boom came in, where singles and albums, Dalir Mendi, Malaika Arora, and everything boomed. And that was 2000 was the time
Yeah.
where people used to watch videos and buy music. There's the other way around. People normally listen to music and then buy music. That was an era which in India
By
came in
music, yeah.
2000, where people videos were burned, amazing money was spent on videos, and all channel boom before you, MTV, Channel V, everybody was booming that point in time. So that's the time we spread our
I
base was
remember.
Gujarat. We
I
spread it to
completely remember.
yeah.
Yeah.
You came to
Oh,
our Even
oh.
Management Federation launch night and you stormed the audience by your rocking, electrifying performance. So everything got together, more organized way. and I still remember
How
you and your
nice.
association with us. And from then it
Yeah.
started, and so we opened our first. People normally from Gujarat would go to Bombay or Delhi to open their office. We went through Miami. We opened our because a lot of Asians and Indians are the well born and raised Indians in US who wanted to have Bollywood in this place. So we opened an
Hmm.
office in Miami in South Beach. So that's how we
Right.
migrated directly from India to US. So we started had our operations 15 years back in US. Right from the World Gujarati Conference to South Beach, Miami, Bhangra to India Fest to Asia Fest, we've been doing. So that got us into the wedding. In fact, the coming season, we're doing one of the finest, the biggest
You
wedding
just got
in
hanged.
LA and in Igor. So one of the finest wedding
Wow.
Indian family
So
we're doing
you
in
are
LA.
hands full.
Uh,
Hands full.
and full, yeah. God has been kind to us, and now as the COVID thing is coming in, so the
Your
rescheduling
hands
of
full.
dates
I
are
mean, you've
getting.
done so much and doing such good productive work.
Yeah, so that's what I said. That God has been kind to us, and that we did for a while, and then
Absolutely.
came in more organized. And as you know, Gujarat and Vibrant Gujarat, our honorable Prime Minister had the dream to make Gujarat to the global map. So Vibrant Gujarat's happened, Statue of Unity happened, and we all fraternity got together to make it the most. And today, through corporate events, government events, wedding, MICE, altogether, it's a good bundling of events what we're doing for now. So that in fact inspires us more. You get venturing to our own from Bollywood to events. So that's a good inspiration. So I was just
No, no,
talking
this is like a
today because of
pastime. This is like simultaneously, I want to do something like this. So I always
yes.
wanted to do business. My dad, he's an industrialist. We manufacture polygum and anti-foam. So we have our own unit in Saharanpur. So he always wanted me to come and join his business. But then I can't stay in Saharanpur considering there are not much medical facilities in that city, and the city is yet to grow, and I hope it develops with time because my parents stay there and I really worry for them since I'm away. And Mumbai is a city which is my home now, so I'm enjoying working here, so I thought might as well let me get into a venture where I can do business in my city, Mumbai. So one day, most probably, let's see. I don't know if I can join my dad's business later, but then eventually I will be doing business because that's what fascinates me the
Excellent.
most.
Very nice. So now it's
Yeah,
talking about Bollywood now. And when do you think the
yeah.
business would resume, shootings would start, and everything will get onto floor? What is your perception? When do you think this would resume back in action? You've been talking to your
I
industry friends,
don't
and they
think
would be
so.
talking to each
I
other.
don't think so. Films will be happening the way it happening a while ago because film shoots might happen. We might go to Mumbai studios and do shootings, but outdoor locations where we have to travel out of Mumbai, it looks difficult to me because मेरी खुद की एक film start हो रही थी टिप्सी, directed by दीपक तिजोरी, and टिप्सी की जो shooting थी लंदन में थी. 21 मार्च को हम लोग फ्लाई कर रहे थे यहाँ से 2 महीने के लिए लंदन जा रहे थे और कोरोना वायरस के चक्कर में हमें पूरा शेड्यूल कैंसिल करना पड़ा. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये कोरोना सेटल थोड़ा बहुत भी होगा या 1-2% भी केस रह जाएंगे. आई डाउट कि हम लोग लंदन जा पाएंगे. तो मतलब ओवरसीज भूल ही जाओ आप. विद इन मुंबई अगर शूटिंग होती है तो प्रोबेबली इट कैन हैपन. थिएटर्स में एज एन ऑडियंस मैं पर्सनली खुद डरूंगी जाने से. नॉट एज एन आर्टिस्ट, आई एम स्पीकिंग राइट नाउ एज एन ऑडियंस. मुझे तो डर लगेगा, मैं तो डरपोक हूँ. तो मैं शायद थिएटर भी ना जा पाऊँ. तो बिजनेस हर एस्पेक्ट में सफर होने वाला है. मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी नहीं जाऊंगी. मुझे लगता है मैं किसी होटल में भी जाने से पहले 1000 बार सोचूंगी. तो हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस में भी बहुत सफर होने वाला है. मुझे जो लगता है इस पूरे एस्पेक्ट में सबसे ज्यादा जो ग्रोथ होने वाली है वो होगी मेडिसिन वालों की, जो जिनके मेडिसिन की यूनिट्स हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं, जिनकी खुद की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स हैं. आई थिंक उनके लिए सुपर्ब टाइम है. दे गोइंग टू प्रॉस्पर अलॉट. और हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस, ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म, फिल्म्स थोड़ा सा मुझे डाइसी लगता है. एंड इवन वेडिंग प्लानिंग, शादियां डिले हो रही हैं. जो अभी होनी थी वो
Everything
दिसंबर जनवरी में शिफ्ट
correct,
हो रही हैं. तो कहीं ना
correct,
कहीं फर्क पड़ गया. लोग भीड़ में आने से डरेंगे, हिचकिचाएंगे. हम लोग
correct,
नवरात्रि पर डांडिया इवेंट्स करते हैं, गरबा करते हैं, 3-3 लाख
correct.
पब्लिक आती है. हम लोग दही हांडी करते हैं, 3-3 लाख पब्लिक आती है. आई डाउट कि पब्लिक पर लोग इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से 1 साल तक आ पाएंगे. तो मुझे शक होता है. अगर सब अच्छा हो जाए तो वो मिरेकल होगा, और हो जाए तो अच्छा होगा.
Very good, good. But see, as we know, we all are Indians, okay? So you
हाँ
call
जी.
jugaad or you say street smartness or business acumen. So now the entire shift, you as a celebrity, me as a planner, we all sitting together. So digital platform has been an amazing revenue module. Like, a lot of
Yeah.
corporate companies have to do their dealer meets online because they'll not stop the business. So instead of meeting
Right.
them, with the dealer we see now they are interacting on digital platforms, all right? Like they
Yeah.
would invite a celebrity like you or Govindaji or whoever online, have a special interaction with them and still convince their business. People will talk about success stories, how the celebrities have done their journey. See, now they will connect business, everything online. So, what do you see the future of digital online integration in this time and still get going, still make your bucks, still get occupied, and still because digital has come big way in last
For
40 years,
example,
and
I'm
if you,
sorry to
the
cut
way
you. For
things go for
example,
long, yeah,
film 83 is coming. Can you hear me? Hello.
yeah, yeah,
I think it's
yeah. Please
breaking.
go ahead.
Were you talking? I don't
Yeah,
know.
थोड़ा crack हो
Were
रहा
you
है.
talking?
Yeah,
हाँ थोड़ा
it was
क्रैक हो रहा है
cracking a
समझ
bit,
नहीं
but
आ
now
रहा है.
it's resumed. It's resumed.
हाँ
Yeah,
लाइक
yeah.
लाइक
Please.
फिल्म्स लाइक 83 जो रणवीर सिंह की फिल्म आ रही है. मैं आई वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वॉच दैट फिल्म. तो इतनी बड़ी फिल्में इतने अच्छे बजट में बनती हैं. तो मुझे लगता है अगर ऐसी फिल्में नेटफ्लिक्स में रिलीज हो जाएंगी तो जबरदस्त बिजनेस करके जाएंगी. और खासतौर पे क्वारंटीन के टाइम पे वेयर पीपल एट होम, तो डिजिटल में बहुत स्कोप है. थिएटर्स का मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती, आई एम नॉट द राइट पर्सन टू डिबेट ऑन दैट, बट मेरा खुद का ओपिनियन है कि एज एन ऑडियंस मैं तो डरूंगी 1 साल तक थिएटर के अंदर घुसने से भी. जो प्रैक्टिकल बात है, मुझे डर लगेगा अगर मेरे
I'm not
रिश्तेदार.
talking, Kanath, I'm not talking films. I'm saying you as an artist at home. There are a lot of
या.
corporates who they do dealer meets, retailer meets. They would say a session like this that we talk work, and after that we have Kanath Arora talking to you one to one and talking about your queries, your experience of Grand Masti, or the movies you do, or your
या.
the funniest or the best part happened in your life. People like to connect to celebrities directly online. All right, still you're home, but still you're
आई कांट
working.
हियर
So
यू,
films,
इट्स
as
नॉट
we say,
ऑडिबल.
is gone far away. Such kind of digital integration, are you open to do it? So you're connected to people, connect to your fans, connect to clients. Still, you're making the most of the time staying home. So that is my question to you. Would you be keen doing something and still
आई
rolling
कांट.
the show?
कैन यू हियर?
Okay, that's a cracking on that network. But I can.
Oh
Am I
yeah,
audible
it's
to you?
it's yeah, now you're audible. I couldn't hear. Again, it's not audible.
Uh,
It's breaking and coming.
so what I'm saying is, Phil. Yeah. So maybe network some problem. Now this is resumed.
I
Can
don't
I
know because
go
I
ahead?
have Wi-Fi. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So what I'm saying is digital integration, you staying home, still talking about your work, connecting to your friends, connecting to your clients, and using this time to connect to them directly, still roll your show. Are you open to a digital platform to work?
Absolutely, and I'm already doing it. I'm connecting with my fans. There are many fans who wants to
Doing.
have like birthday wishes. Yeah, like wedding anniversary wishes or a shout out. This is also part of business. So because there are fans and people who want video bites or shout out. So this is also a form of business. And even sitting at home, we are promoting brands like if it is a soft drink brand, for example, or if it is a
Okay.
chocolate brand. We people make ads at home, like a self-made ad, and we are making money out of it. And it's a great way of making money via digital, sitting at home, and all you have to do is just make your own video and upload it on Instagram, and it's
Excellent.
all paid. So this is also
Wow.
a form of making money
Yeah,
via
yeah. So this
digital.
would be now more innovative platforms will come where you
Yeah,
still are occupied and still till the time everything doesn't resume. So
yeah.
great insight on the digital platform. I would like to personally ask, can you share with us one or two candid moments you had during your blockbuster, Grand Masti, or another films, which your fans would like to know, which were the most
So
memorable part? Is that one
memorable
of the
parts were
biggest?
many, but I'll tell you about a part where I was shooting for a song with Vivek Oberoi in Grand Masti. It was a
Mm,
rain song, and we were shooting in Karjat. So
mm,
I was dancing bare feet and no slippers, no shoes, nothing. और बारिश का गाना था और बहुत जोर से मैं गिरी थी. इतनी
mm.
जोर से गिरी थी कि मैं गिर के स्लिप होके धड़म करके दूर जाके गिरी. और विवेक अकेला नाच रहा है, डांस कर रहा है, उसको मालूम ही नहीं है कि कायनात फ्रेम में नहीं है. He continued,
Okay.
he kept dancing. पूरी यूनिट मुझे उठा रही है और विवेक अपना शॉट पूरा फिनिश किया एंड देन ही रियलाइज टाइना तो स्क्रीन पे कोई शॉट पे है नहीं और मैं खूना खून हो गई थी। और फिर मैंने उसके बावजूद भी मैंने शूटिंग कंप्लीट करी। तो ऐसे
वाह।
कई सारे ट्रेजेडीज होती रहती हैं हम लोगों के साथ। इनफैक्ट मैं भी पंजाबी फिल्म कर रही थी गोवा में, किट्टी पार्टी की शूटिंग करी थी, कॉमेडी फिल्म थी। तो बीच पर हम गाना शूट कर रहे थे, तो उसमें भी मैं पत्थर पे गिर गई थी बहुत जोर से। मैं डांस करते वक्त मेरा पूरा नाखून उखड़ गया था। एंड यकीन
ओह,
करना, इससे इससे गंदा दर्द मैंने आज तक महसूस नहीं किया है। और
ओह,
हम लोग आइसोलेटेड, बिल्कुल आइसोलेशन में थे, बीच पे कोई नहीं था दूर दूर तक। कोई मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज तो होती नहीं है वहां पे। लेकिन हमारे पास एक लिमिटेड टाइम था कि सनराइज के अंदर और सनसेट से पहले हमें शूटिंग पूरी रैप अप करनी थी। और बहुत दूर गोवा में दूर जाके शूटिंग थी। तो पानी के अंदर पैर डालती हूँ तो सेप्टिक हो जाता है, और सैंड के अंदर पैर जा रहा है तो भी सेप्टिक होता है। तो मुझे कंटिन्यूसली शूटिंग करनी पड़ी। हमने टिश्यू पेपर्स जो होते हैं ना, वेट टिश्यू पेपर, उसको फाड़ के उसको पट्टी बना के नाखून को जोड़ के कैसे मैंने शूटिंग की फिनिश। ऐसे कई एपिसोड्स होते हैं। और मस्ती भी बहुत होती है।
करेक्ट।
ग्रैंड मस्ती के टाइम पर तो खूब मस्ती हुई थी, क्योंकि विवेक, रितेश, आफ्ताब, दे आर वेरी फनी, वी ऑल नो दैट।
After that,
एंड
yeah.
इंद्र कुमार सर के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही टैलेंटेड फिल्म मेकर है। दिल, बेटा, राजा, मन जैसी फिल्में बनाई हैं, धमाल। एंड
Correct.
मिलाप जवेरी जिन्होंने डायलॉग्स लिखे थे, उनकी वजह से मुझे फिल्म मिली। एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फॉर एवर, बिकॉज ऑफ हिम आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी। बट इवन बिफोर मिलाप, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू अक्षय कुमार, बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी इन खट्टा मीठा विद अ
Yeah.
सॉन्ग आइला रे आइला, जो काफी हिट सॉन्ग रहा। एंड जर्नी चलती जा रही है। मैंने तमिल फिल्म में भी किया, मलयालम में भी काम किया है, पंजाबी फिल्म में भी किया है, मोहनलाल, अजीत कुमार, इन सबके साथ काम किया है। और अभी मैं
Wow.
टिप्सी कर रही हूँ, आपको बताया मैंने, दीपक तिजोरी के साथ। तो वो
Correct.
तो अटक ही गई है अभी। क्या होगा कोरोना वायरस का, वो तो कोरोना वायरस ही मालिक है भगवान से ज्यादा। आई होप
Correct.
कोरोना वायरस जाए और हम सबको बख्श दे, और हम लोग शूटिंग करने और अपना काम करने वापस लगे। और बहुत लोगों को सफर करके ये वायरस बहुत दुख दे रहा है। एंड आई प्रे टू ऑलमाइटी कि कुछ मिरेकल हो जाए, क्योंकि मैंने कई बुक्स पढ़ी, काफी लोगों ने मतलब प्रिडिक्शंस की थी कि ऐसा एक वायरस कभी आएगा, अचानक आएगा और अचानक गायब भी हो जाएगा। तो अचानक आ तो गया है, बस अब अचानक गायब हो जाए बस, वो प्रिडिक्शंस ठीक हो
Everybody's
जाए
praying for
बस।
that.
बट आई थिंक
Correct. Correct.
एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल पॉइंट से भी, इफ यू सी लाइक एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली ऑल्सो, मार्स, सैटर्न एंड जुपिटर हैज कम टुगेदर इन पोजिशन, एक घर में आ गए हैं। तो प्लैनेटरी पोजिशन जो चेंज हुई है उसमें भी इट्स ऑल साइंस। तो काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं उससे काफी फर्क पड़ा है, जिनकी कुंडलियों में मंगल शनि खराब होंगे तो दुख देके जाएगा, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं लोग। और मैं मानती हूँ कुंडली को, तो मैं इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ इस बारे में। एंड
Wow.
काफी दुख मैंने देखा है लोगों को झेलते हुए। मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ मेरे जो अपने हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो, जितनी मैं हेल्प कर पा रही हूँ कर रही हूँ। मेरे स्टाफ, उनको सैलरीज की दिक्कत ना हो। तो आई एम रियली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई पीपल एंड पीपल अराउंड मी एंड लाइक नियर एंड डियर वंस। So
That's
whatever
too
best I
human
can do,
also.
I'm doing that.
Oh, there is too much human to yourself, and which is a very nice attitude to be self-quarantined
Whatever
40
little
days.
bit you can do, it's important. Little bit, whatever you can do. It's like
Correct.
मेरे जो स्टाफ है, मैंने उनको राशन एक एक महीने का खरीद के छुट्टी दी है। सैलरीज
Wow.
एडवांस दो दो महीने के पकड़ा दी थी, कि प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो उनको। और एक्स्ट्रा ही देके भेजा है सबको, लाइक कि उनको दिक्कत ना हो, कि
It's
एटलीस्ट
a
उनको
very
लगे
good
हमारी
saying,
मैडम
no?
बुरी नहीं है।
It's a very good saying that charity starts from home. So you're a perfect
एब्सोल्युटली।
example for that. Yeah.
हाँ जी,
Great, very
बिल्कुल।
nice. Anything you like to ask or you like to know from our side?
आप बताइए, आप कब से लॉकडाउन है घर के अंदर?
Well, as you rightly said, जैसे आपको लंदन जाना था, मुझे एलए जाना था,
हाँ।
and we cancelled
ओके
our
ओके
flights, and we never
ओके।
realized it's going to be that big, you know. So we've been
राइट
40 days here, but this is the time where, as I told you, we all are rolling stone. We travel a lot. So first
राइट
10, 15 days, I grabbed all my sleep. Then another 10,
राइट।
15 days, you could say what could be innovative because do nothing,
हाँ।
as I said, is very difficult for you or me or anyone. So
या
all that thing we planned, all those events which we did, जो देखने का वीडियो भी टाइम नहीं था, पहले 15
राइट।
दिन उनके वीडियोस देखे जो जो पेंडिंग इवेंट्स थी उसके. So try to recap what all
ओके
good
ओके।
work or bad work you did, so all that, and then calling those
राइट
people
राइट
whom you did for and thanking them, especially calling them and saying that thank you, which normally we don't get time to thank everyone. And you rightly
राइट।
said, with your people who work for you in your house and other
यू
places,
हैव टू
you
टेक केयर
could
ऑफ
sit
देम।
with them, talk to them. You could
या
talk to them कि भाई तेरा घर कैसे
या
चल रहा है, तू कैसा है, क्या नहीं है. All that
I call
time
my
आपकी
staff
नीयत
every
है पर
day.
वक्त
I
नहीं
also
होता.
call my staff every day and I'm talking to them. making sure that they're not stepping out, and I gave them like masks, sanitizers, खाने
Correct.
पीने का सामान, राशन पानी सब इकट्ठा करके भेजा मैंने. एंड मोर देन दैट, मुझे जो अच्छा लग रहा है कि मॉर्निंग में उठने के बाद हमारा एक रूटीन, लाइक मैं मॉर्निंग में उठती हूँ, मैं गर्म पानी से हल्दी लेती हूँ. तो एक रूटीन फॉलो
Wow.
करना इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो मैं पहाड़ी हल्दी लेती हूँ, क्योंकि घर की जो हल्दी होती है उसमें रंग होता है. तो अक्खा हल्दी जो होती है उसको चुटकी भर गर्म पानी से लेना, इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होती है. इट्स एंटी कैंसरस, इट्स एंटीबायोटिक, एंड इन्फ्लेमेशन आपकी बॉडी से हटाती है. तो ये सब चीजें इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रांग करती हैं. उठने के बाद जब मैं सुबह उठती हूँ, ये पहले गर्म पानी से मैं हल्दी ले रही हूँ, और फिर मैं
Wow.
गाजर का रस निकलवाती हूँ, उसमें लहसुन और अदरक डाल के उसका रस लेती हूँ. जैसे आप
Wow.
टकीला शॉट लेते हो, मैं कैरेट शॉट, कैरेट जिंजर गार्लिक शॉट लेती हूँ फॉर इम्यूनिटी. देन आई हैव माय ब्रेकफास्ट, एंड फॉलोड बाय मेनी अदर थिंग्स. विटामिन सी हम लोग ले रहे हैं, आप भी ले रहे होंगे, आई एम श्योर यू आर
Wow.
टेकिंग विटामिन सी.
Absolutely.
वी ऑल आर
Yeah.
टेकिंग जिंक.
Everybody.
वी ऑल आर. इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग कर रहे हैं हम लोग, हेल्थ की तरफ जा रहे हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा चेंज है. पहले हम लोग पैसे की तरफ भाग रहे थे, आज हम हेल्थ की तरफ भाग रहे हैं, अपनी इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रांग कर रहे हैं. काफी लोग तो इम्यूनिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, इम्यूनिटी के बारे में आधे लोगों को मालूम नहीं था इम्यूनिटी होती क्या है. तो वो
Correct.
डिस्कशंस
Correct.
हो रही हैं,
Very
और हम
helpless.
अपने,
Yeah.
हाँ, अपने बुजुर्गों का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. हमारे घर में जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, एंड वीडियो कॉल्स कर रहे हैं. वी आर कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल वी डिडंट कनेक्ट विद. और क्वारंटीन के टाइम पे हमें पता चल रहा है कि आपका अपना कौन है.
Exactly. And don't you realize that during these 40 days, there's a huge personality shift. जो हम hyper थे वो mellow down हो गए.
करेक्ट.
And then you're more human. You're caring for everybody around you. पहले
या
we
या
didn't have time to do that. All right. So now with that time which we have, we're trying to talk to the smallest person to the biggest person. We're talking to
राइट.
everyone. We're talking to, and I personally feel I was very hyper as a personality, which I mellowed down 50%.
हाउ
So my
स्वीट इज
stress
दैट.
level, my reflexes, everything is now more constructive
हाउ
towards वो क्या
नाइस.
जो सामने आता था काम हम उसको पहले निपटाते थे. But now is the
राइट.
time where we are talking about ourselves and saying that where
या
to go, what to do, and what not to do. So
basically
I
we are
think,
detoxifying, the system, the mental psychic. We are working on our mental health. Apart from the physical health, mental health
yeah,
we are working on. We are detoxifying the system. ये बहुत important था. और अब हमारे planet के लिए बहुत important था. कैसे डिफॉरेस्टेशन, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस चेंज हो रही थी, जो भी हो रहा था अच्छा नहीं हो रहा था. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं, अभी मैं रोज देखती हूँ एयर क्वालिटी कितनी अच्छी हो रही है. कहाँ
correct.
250 होती थी दिल्ली में, 250 होती थी बॉम्बे में, आज मैं देखती हूँ 40, 50, 63. एंड इट्स
Wow.
शोइंग गुड. समटाइम इट इज शोइंग वेरी क्लियर एयर, समटाइम इट्स शोइंग मॉडरेट. उससे पहले मैं पढ़ती थी hazardous एयर क्वालिटी, वेरी अनहेल्दी एयर क्वालिटी,
Yeah.
ये लिखा आता था, तो डर लगता था. और लंदन को खोलती थी तो एयर क्वालिटी 1 होती थी, मतलब रशिया में 4 है एयर क्वालिटी. तो ऐसे अलग अलग रीजन्स में अलग अलग एयर क्वालिटी देखने को मिलती थी. अभी खुशी होती है कि इंडिया में वेरी क्लियर एयर क्वालिटी मुद्दत बाद देखने को मिला है, जो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
But overall, I think perception will change. But in fact, if you ask me, I've seen a different Kainat who's very
हाँ.
responsible citizen, who's very organic, who's
बड़ी
an
इमेज खराब है
amazing.
मेरी. इमेज खराब थी इसका मतलब.
Yeah. So
Never
he's
judge a
very
book,
organic.
never judge a book by its cover.
So people have seen you on screen and they find you very jovial, very personality, very glamorous driven. But this part of life, very concerned, very human, very organic,
Yeah.
very deep knowledge on food habits. And
हाँ
best
जी.
part that you are spiritual. You're talking science. You're talking nakshatra and graha, which
हाँ
is
जी.
very different. It's very
जी
nice.
बिल्कुल,
So
उच्च का मंगल
you were
चल रहा है
about.
अभी.
So a lot of people would like to know who's Kainat Arora, like just being a glam girl and the
No, I read a
yoga
lot of
part of you.
books. I read books. I just don't read, like astrology is one thing I am inspired of. But I like to read inspirational books. I don't read novels, by the way. I like light-hearted books or a biography on someone's personality or someone who has inspired me in their lives. Like right now you can see I just got this book on Gayatri Devi. So
Wow,
I'll
this is one
start
of
reading. Yeah,
that's my
so
favorite. That's my
yeah,
favorite. She's
yeah, I'll
like
start reading
princess to the world.
about,
Indian.
yeah.
Yeah,
So there are so
she's
many personalities you can read about, and मैं तो हनुमान चालीसा भी रोज करती हूँ. तो लोग रामायण देख रहे हैं आजकल, महाभारत देख रहे हैं, तो लोग वो कर रहे हैं जो अभी एक जमाने में हमारे दादा दादी बुजुर्ग किया करते थे. तो वही
कितने
like
झटके
it's
दोगे
a
अपने
circle.
फैंस को आधा? कायनात
हाँ
कितने चुटकी करके आप अपने फैंस को हनुमान चालीसा तक पहुंच गए आप,
आई
लाइक
एम हनुमान भक्त
ओह वाओ.
No, it heals
So
you. It's not about who you're worshipping. It's about mental healing. It's about connecting with your own self. It's about chanting. It's about,
correct.
like, connecting with your own inner soul.
Mhm.
It's
Inner
about
peace, yeah. With
healing.
all this, yes, correct, correct, correct. This has
It's
been
mental
amazing
healing.
insight. This is amazing
Yeah.
insight, yeah. Meditation
I'm
बोलना
sure
easy है,
even
करना
you do all of
difficult है.
that. I'm sure even
I
you
know
do all
about
of
it.
that. You do yoga, meditation. You might be doing every
I
day.
have started. I used to practice quite some time back, but now left for a couple of years, and now reinstating that same practices, and now you're realizing that what you left was not for good,
Right.
and what you're doing now. So you do thank other way around that this give you a opportunity to reinvent yourself,
Very true.
so which
I'm,
is
I'm missing my
fantastic.
yoga teacher so much. I'm really missing her. Marzia, her name is Marzia. I'm missing her because I used to do yoga every day. But then now, since she's not here, so I'm doing breathing exercises like Alom Vilom, Kapal Bharti. I do all of that in the morning. I plant my flowers. I
Wow.
love nature. So
I'm sure
doing my
you're
little
missing
bit.
your hairstylist and saloon girl also, right?
No, I honestly मैं सैलून महीने में एक बार जाती हूँ आईब्रो अपलिप्स कराने एंड मैं सैलून इतना नहीं जाती हूँ जितना लड़कियां जाती
Wow.
हैं ये रियलिटी है
So Kanath Arora
मैं
is a
अपनी
natural
हेल्थ
beauty, huh?
no I take care of my health I eat greens broccoli asparagus ग्लूटेन फ्री डाइट पे हूँ मैं आटा मतलब
Wow.
रोटी चावल भी मैं ब्राउन राइस या फिर किनुआ राइस खा लिया किनुआ रोटी खा ली और पोहा खा लिया एंड एडेमामी बीन्स मेरी डाइट ऐसी है मैं मोस्टली मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ अगर मुझे नॉन वेजिटेरियन बोला जाएगा जस्ट बिकॉज आई टेक चिकन सूप एवरी डे दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई टेक अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक चिकन से जो भी रिलेटेड है उसमें चिकन सूप ही लेती हूँ मैं मोस्टली मेरा वेजिटेरियन खाना ही होता है लौकी तोरी टिंडे तुरई एंड करेला ये सब जो लोगों को पसंद नहीं है वो सब मुझे पसंद है
So I would say you're a 24 karat gold, huh? Pure and nice, hygienic.
जो
Great
लोगों को
answer,
पसंद
yeah.
नहीं है मुझे वो सब पसंद है सब लोगों के लिए अनहेल्दी है वो मेरे लिए मुझे वो सब पसंद है
So आज beauty का राज पता चल गया. It's more organic, more inner peace, and more that, huh?
no but it's
So
important right you're a doctor yourself you know
correct,
who would know better than you it's all about
correct.
internally how you're taking care of your health you need to have like fresh fruits you need to have organic food you need to take care of your diet vitamin C is important E is important आपको सनलाइट लेना भी important है हर चीज इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में ली जाए तो बैलेंस डाइट important है
Correct. Super insight, huh? I was not expecting this session from you, but you have given a turnaround, everything on that.
But so nice catching up with you. And
So when
let
you
me
talk
read the
about
comments.
being a doctor
Let me read
yourself,
the let me read the comments once again. There is Akshay Poet. Acha, hi Akshay. How are you? Hi Suhail. Hi Amir. Hi Anish. There's Sonu Singh. Hi Sonu. We met in Delhi. We did a shoot together. I remember.
Judy.
Uh, there is Shubh. So many people are writing to us.
I know Krish and a
Uh,
lot of from my side also, people been writing, but we were only engrossed into
okay.
talking.
मुकेश कुमार जी क्या नहीं लगता है आपको यू डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब थैंक यू आशीष हाय डीपी हेलो लिखात लिखात हाय Natasha hi Natasha so thank you so much guys for your lovely comments जेडी सर
Great.
आपके लिए लिख रहे हैं अंबर ने लिखा है यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन
Wow.
और
Now,
जेडी सर राज थैंक
amazing.
यू राज रानी थैंक यू
What is the next wedding destination about EMF? People are asking. Kainath,
हाँ
suggest
what
which would be the best wedding destination coming next. So you can suggest. You've been a Rolling Stone, you know which is the best next wedding destination nationally,
destination
internationally.
should be destination should be India only for now.
Yeah. Well, in India,
I
where?
I won't take risk. I am so scared to travel in a flight on a serious note.
Correct.
मुझे अगर कोई पूछेगा मुझे इस दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है तो मुझे मरने से लगता है तो मैं तो फ्लाइट में
Wow.
नहीं जाने वाली हूँ फिलहाल क्योंकि मैंने इतनी फ्लाइट्स पकड़ी हैं जनवरी में मतलब रोज एक फ्लाइट होती थी, रोज एक इवेंट होता था। और मैं
Wow.
थक गई थी, मैं बीमार हो गई थी, मेरे को डॉक्टर्स ने बोला रेस्ट कर लो। मैंने बुखार में भी मतलब इवेंट्स किए हैं। और फेब में
Okay.
मेरे को समझ में आ गया था सिचुएशन क्या होने वाली है। और मैंने अपने आप को आइसोलेशन में फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ मार्च में ही डाल दिया था।
Great. No, but let me ask you. A lot of people
हाँ
asking me and you both. Let me
हाँ।
ask you first. Who is your
हम्म।
inspiration,
शाहरुख खान।
Kainath?
शाहरुख खान।
Shahrukh. What
Like
inspires you? What?
I love this guy. I love him. What a man.
Means
Everything
what? His
about him,
energy,
head to toe.
precision.
He is a walking encyclopedia. He is a walking general knowledge book for me. I read his
Okay.
articles, I read his interviews. It's right. It's like I'm reading a book and I'm learning something out of it. His one-liners, his wit, his intelligence, his aura, the kind of films he has done in the past, from Devdas to DDLJ to Mohabbatein to Veer Zara, Dar, Bazigar. Since a child, I
Yeah.
was a hardcore Shah Rukh Khan fan,
He is a
and he
perfect
inspired
package.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he is so much of
He's a
knowledge, so
action,
intelligent,
comedy, romance, everything together in one package.
everything. Yeah, and also I like Ranveer Singh. In this generation, if you ask me, Ranveer Singh is a guy. What the kind of energy I saw in Shah Rukh Khan in that era, I think this era is an era of Ranveer Singh, like a new superstar who will see as big amount of stardom as Shah Rukh Khan has seen in his lifetime. So Ranveer Singh is also good. They all inspire me in their own
Wow.
nice ways.
Are
Yeah.
they aware? They inspire you. Are they aware?
Yeah,
Shah Rukh Khan is aware.
Mr. Khan is aware.
Yeah.
He likes, yeah, yeah. I told him my name Kainat. He loved my name also, and I have met
Lovely.
him couple of times, and I have done the entire research on his like I've read his biographies from Still Reading Khan to um, coffee table books I have at home, and Hall of Fame Shah Rukh Khan. I've read all his biographies. And Mushtaq Sheikh is a very dear friend of mine. He has written his book. So I do research on his life because I feel I'm learning something each time I'm reading about him or his interviews. It inspires me. It makes me more humble in life. And he awares people that knowledge is so important and you have to read books. You have to be aware in life. And he's so cool. Everything about him, head to toe.
Now, the best thing is like, tomorrow you might not have your health in place or money in place or glamour in or power in place. What will
Yeah,
stay with you is your knowledge, your education.
knowledge.
So that is the best
Absolutely.
asset. And
Yeah.
I've seen him, he's an amazing orator. I was there in Delhi where he
Hmm.
was unveiling book of Arindam Chaudhary then. And
Oh,
yeah, so at that point in time, he said he was just asked to speak on that topic, unveiling a book. It's called uh, Book of Thorns, and he came out
huh.
with amazing answers. And he says, "This is just comes out of my heart." So that shows, without script, given the option to speak on this any topic, and he went on for like 30 minutes and he rocked everyone. So
He is
I
another
agree.
level of a genius, total a genius.
So if it
And
comes to me, if you'd ask me about inspiration to me, it is my father who inspired me.
oh
And
wow,
that was, yeah, so it was
how
like
nice.
right right from my school days to college because he was a sportsman and he inspired me to be a sportsman. So I got into cricket. Every guy in those days, in early 80s, people was
Right.
the only sport they had was cricket. So that inspired me to work cricketer because sports teaches you a lot of team building, leadership, struggle, highs and lows, loses and win. So sport teaches you a lot. So we started with sports. He inspired me. Got
Wow.
into a professional life. He says first a couple of years you need to work somewhere and then be an entrepreneur like every Gujarati is. So he said you
Oh
first
wow.
work somewhere so you know what is time discipline, what is the growth, what is motivation. So
How
he made
nice.
a point. He made a point that 1,000 days of circle of struggle will make you a complete professional, and then you decide which is the industry you want to get into. So that was the point where I decided to venture into events, and that's
How
how
cool.
we. And so there are time event planners who does weddings, who somebody who does exhibitions, somebody do
Hmm.
government event, and
Yeah.
we were the only one who did even the government events. We did weddings, we did institutions, we did spiritual events. So we did all 360. That was the time when the university in France who invited us to apply for the doctorate and said we are the ones who do all kind of events. It's not only exhibitions or weddings or conventions. We do all 360-degree, and that was the time where I was conferred as the doctorate in overall 360-degree of GANs.
Oh,
So that was the
nice.
entire
My God.
journey boils down that the job which you love, and if you
But it
do,
must not be easy. I'm sure it must be a roller coaster ride for you.
yeah. They were celebrating the
It's not.
50th year of the university, so there were a number of
Wow.
people, professionals, where they normally conferred people who are into professions. So earlier professions were chartered accountants, doctors, and lawyers. Event management
Right.
is a professional skill job, so they were never
Right.
considering. So that was the first thing they considered, and I was lucky enough. They shortlisted me, and the celebration
Wow.
happened in Sri Lanka. The French university celebrating its 50th anniversary in Sri Lanka because the SARC happened there, and they was celebrating there. So that was the time. So as you said, so there are people who every father inspires. I'm sure your father also inspires you,
My
but I
father
think in
has
most,
inspired me. Surely he has, because I am where I am, because he allowed me to, where I could go out and live my dreams. If he had not allowed, I would have not reached where I have reached even this far. I would have not uh, like captured the moments I have been capturing all these years. It is because he allowed me and he let me live my dreams. It's
correct,
it's very important because many parents, they don't let their daughters go out and venture into a
correct.
field they don't believe in, because I come from a business background. And my father wanted me to be an entrepreneur and a businessman, businesswoman, where I could, continue his thing which he's doing and take the league ahead. But then I wanted to get into modeling, and
Wow.
he was not ready for it, but then eventually he agreed, and I got into modeling, and then the films happened by default.
So I'm sure he's happy today, looking at your success and exposure to
He
his joint.
is. He's very, very proud. But then he even now he tells me कि बेटा वापस आ जाओ, बिजनेस संभाल लो मेरा, बेटा तुम बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो, मेरा मेरा बिजनेस तुम कर लो, मुझे बहुत अच्छा
Correct.
लगेगा, मेरी बेटी घर आ गई. तो वो मुझे बुलाते रहते हैं, और वो जिस दिन मैं बोल दूंगी कि हाँ मैं आ रही हूँ आपका बिजनेस संभालने, तो हमारे घर में दिवाली हो जाएगी उस दिन.
Correct. Oh, thank you. Otherwise, we are doing great. So I'm sure there's Christmas for now. Diwali
Yeah.
coming very soon, right?
मुझे तो अभी दिवाली
So,
से भी डर लग रहा है. No
come
more
on, you're so
festivals for
bold.
me at least. No more
Kainat, you're
six,
so
seven
bold.
months. ये कोरोना
No,
वायरस, I'm 6, 7 months, so I know it's not gonna be absolutely okay. I'm 100% sure. मेरी मैथमेटिक्स मैंने कर ली है.
so you're astrologer too, huh?
प्रॉब्लम्स
Kainat,
रहेंगी मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि एक तो पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, और होगा प्रॉब्लम, तो होगा,
correct.
बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है.
Anyway, there's always a positive side,
या
and we all
आई
have
होप
to
सो.
go ahead and make it positive. So, Kainat,
या
can we get on the rapid round? I'm sure that would be
या ऑफ
interesting.
कोर्स,
So,
I'm all
you are ready
game.
with your rapid round? Means you have questions in front of you?
And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, let me ask you in that case, okay?
Yeah,
So let's
you
say
are a pro. You look like a pro.
you look like
You are a pro. You're sounding like a pro. You look like a pro. You are a complete genius
so
in your
I will take
questions
it as a
and
compliment.
conversations. Yeah, your
uh,
conversations, your spontaneity is incredible.
means this is today is my Diwali. I would say that. Alright. Anyway, so let's start with this. Which is your current favorite song, if I were to ask you?
Not current favorite, but then my all-time favorite song is Tum Ho from Rockstar.
Wow,
Ranbir
that's
Kapoor and Nargis Fakri, sung by Mohit Chauhan.
okay. Oh, that's
Which is your favorite song?
this current situation is
Yeah.
everything goes slow, it's going slow. So
Okay,
current song
right.
would be Tony Kakkar's Dhime Dhime doing
Acha,
works now
how
because
nice. Tony
there's
Kakkar, are you
everything going on.
listening? Tony Kakkar, are you listening? Your song is so famous now.
Yeah,
People are
Neha's
loving
a
it.
dear friend. Neha's performed
Oh,
for me for more than like 7 years now, and she's a great friend. And
yeah, how
Tony just
nice.
assisting a sister today is again a blockbuster. I like his that beats are nice. And
Yeah,
the
it's
pace of
nice.
the
No one.
business and work and life today is dhime dhime. So the current favorite song would be
Yeah,
that.
well, I'm a romantic person, so I like Tum Ho because I'm like a Majnu in my life.
Uh, why not? You're right. So anyway,
I'm
I would ask you,
sorry.
which is your appreciate. What's your favorite actor?
We all know that now. One and
No.
only Mr. King Khan and Ranveer
Big
Singh.
Khan.
And Ranveer Singh.
Ah, both two together. Yeah, you can't be
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Even Ranveer Kapoor is a great actor, but then I really hope he does more films. Sanju was
Correct.
great again. But then Ranveer Singh I love.
Yeah.
He's a
So yeah,
star. He's,
I would say with myself, the Big B is my favorite.
oh,
Born and raised
nice.
watching his films, and
Everyone's favorite, yeah.
and
Legend.
one common between you and me is Ranveer Singh, because
Ranveer,
I what Sanju
Ranbir Kapoor.
oh,
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah,
Ranbir Kapoor, I said Rockstar was amazing, but Sanju was
fantastic.
outstanding. That's actually
Outstanding.
showcased him as a great actor.
Yeah, yeah.
So Ranbir Kapoor is my another favorite. So what's your favorite movie? I would, if I were to ask you.
Rockstar. Rockstar.
Rockstar.
And
Amazing.
yours?
Sanju.
Really?
Sanju, that is my I love him, and what he
Oh,
showed.
nice.
But when he was selected as a star cast, I said, "What this
Hmm.
gentleman would do justice to his role." But he came out fantastic.
Hmm.
The entire scripting, direction, overall. But Sanju is one
Okay.
movie which inspires a lot of youngsters
So
to stay away from.
how many times you can watch Sanju at one go?
I mean, no, I can see it twice at one go, 3 times.
I
Yeah,
can see
Sanju is
Rockstar every
inspiring.
day. I can see Rockstar every time if somebody has the patience to watch with me. I
Wow.
love Rockstar that much.
There's only, I'm sure Ranbir Kapoor can watch with you all the while together.
By the way, I saw Rockstar with Ranbir Kapoor at the premiere of Rockstar. I was sitting next to him.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, at Yash Raj Studios. So at the premiere of Rockstar, I watched it with Ranbir Kapoor. My favorite film, Rockstar.
So I'm sure that makes it more momentous, right? So you love it more.
It's coincidence, but then he is an
Correct.
incredible actor. What a
He is
phenomenal
fantastic.
performance he gave.
He's fantastic. That
Rockstar,
movie,
yeah.
the way it's an iconic film for, I'm
Mother,
sure for the rest of
he
the
had
years,
put
people
his
will
soul to
remember.
the character. The entire soul he had put into that character.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Raju Irani is one of the finest. I would say this was better than the Three Idiots. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Anyway,
I wish
that's
I
my
wish I had
take.
done Heer Call's role. I wish I had done Heer Call's role. It was a dream role, but then never mind. Nargis was cute in
One,
that role.
one fast one coming to you. Which is the worst movie you ever seen in the recent times?
वह मरवाना
Worst
चाहते हो मरवाना चाहते हो
सामने वाले इस लैंड का देखो ना.
No, I won't answer this question.
Let me also not be. We skip this question.
Yeah,
Which is the favorite dialogue ever you like to say that comes to top mind recall? Which is your favorite dialogue?
जंगली जवानी पार्ट 2 रॉकस्टार के सारे डायलॉग्स आई लव यू गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी हम दोनों रॉक करेंगे
Ah, that is
आई लव यू
super.
ऑल द डायलॉग्स ऑफ रॉकस्टार
All of them very well narrated and well written too.
या
Mine is
रॉकस्टार नाइस
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप
तुम्हारे
लगते
बाप
नाम
लोग
लगते हैं.
wow so
That
you
that
are a
is
proper Amitabh Bachchan fan hardcore Amitabh Bachchan fan
proper.
wow
Means that movie was I could ever wear that costume, but that costume and
oh,
smile
nice.
like Tinuanan
I
also
know
an
it,
the way
when I liked Amitabh Bachchan the most in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
ah,
He cries, I
he was
cry.
he cried. And then what towering personality. It's
Yeah,
amazing. He like in the real Dean, like it's
yeah.
like amazing.
Because I feel that powerhouse like personality and aura, nobody has as
Nobody has.
better as Shah Rukh Khan, as better as Shah Rukh Khan. I feel Shah Rukh Khan has the biggest aura, but the only person who can overpower that aura is only Mr. Bachchan can do that.
His
Who's
frame, his
yeah,
styling is amazing. I was fortunate we were endorsing a brand and we were in
yeah.
Big B's residence and the meeting was for 1 hour. It went till
Oh wow.
1 hour 30 minutes and
Right.
every dialogue and everything which we were talking work. But it was like stereophonic surround sound, Dolby Digital all rolling in. And
Acha.
that was amazing. Sitting with him for 1.5 hours narrating about the product, talking in detail was
Right.
dream come true. So it was
Yeah.
fantastic. And
Wow.
he's amazing business sense. It
You are
inspires you
lucky.
more.
You're one lucky man. You witnessed all of that live.
All
You've
of
seen
them.
it.
I was
Oh,
blessed. I
nice.
was blessed. That day was blessings. And
Right.
even his PA wing commander also said this is one of his kind where he gave you 60 minutes and he sat till 95 minutes, which is amazing, which never doesn't happen. So we were blessed that day.
Imagine.
Imagine
What a
that was
moment.
fantastic. It was a moment.
I also like
And
Swarg. I also like Swarg from the old
yeah,
films. Rajesh Khanna and Govinda was phenomenal in Swarg. It's my
Govinda
father's
is
and my favorite film.
my favorite Govinda. 19 years superstar. He is
Yes,
fantastic.
he's a pro. He's
He,
amazing.
he
What a
well, he
performer.
was and humor. action, emotions, dance is like perfect package. It means
Perfect package.
if
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
a movie going on a screen, Govinda,
Hmm.
I'll make sure I'll not skip the channel. I'll stay back, watch that film till the end, regardless whichever part of the film I've started with. So
And look
that's
at Partner. Look at Partner with Salman Khan. I think
killer,
Govinda
killer,
added so much of element in the entire movie. I think
amazing,
nobody would have done that what Govinda did, and especially the climax of the film, where he's going for his honeymoon and he's not able to do it.
killer, killer,
Was so funny.
killer, killer. When I talk to
Yeah,
whenever I talk to
I
him,
think Salman and Govinda should do films together. I think they make a deadly combination, awesome combination.
super. The
They
David
should do
Dhawan
films
thing
together.
that the masterpiece I saw then, that
Hmm.
this film, I don't know why didn't they repeat, but that is the best thing. I'm sure Tina is
Yeah.
your friend. You can recommend Tina to tell that to do it.
Acha. Yeah, yeah, I'll tell her. I'll tell her. She's
I'll
a
also say
sweetheart.
it once because we decided, so why not we do? But that's
So,
amazing combination. You're right. That's a deadly combination. If something
deadly
comes back,
combination. Yeah, I think
they're
Salman
amazing.
and Govinda should do things together because they are awesome
They're
on
awesome.
screen.
And last question to ask you:
Yeah,
which is your favorite destination to holiday on this planet?
Switzerland. Switzerland. I
Switzerland.
love snow. I love snow.
So Mount
I'm a
Atlas is your
snow
next home.
girl. I'm a mountain girl. I'm a snowbird.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
For me, it's South Beach, Miami. There's
Oh,
nothing
you are
better.
a beach person.
Tropical.
South Beach? South
Yeah.
Beach, where?
Yes, in South Beach, Miami, and that too, I'm
Miami.
been more. Yeah, it's like tropical is life. Like you can unwind all 365 days. Snow you
Wow.
can't unwind 365 days. So you want to laze
Acha.
around for all around the year. That's the place. The world comes there. I would say it's Mecca of entertainment, and it's the best
Right.
place to be in. Maybe Monday or maybe weekend. Every day city parties. So there's the best
What are
thing to
you?
happen.
So I've seen like mountain, I've seen beach people are just beach people. And
Yeah,
mountain people, they just love the winters. So
yeah,
it's like
correct.
two different personalities. So we are like two
No,
different personalities.
no, no.
But then,
I swipe both ways. The mountains are given a choice, best thing. But given a choice, tropical is the best option because
right,
there you can relax, chill all around the year. That's no season. You
right,
be in winters, coastal is amazing. You go summers,
correct.
slightly, but evenings are very pleasant. You can be there, and
Yeah,
people unwind, and they're amazing. Like on mountains, you have to be choosy. Right, star hotels aren't there. On coastals, you'll find all branded hotels being there.
right.
Nightlife is amazing. Always, as soon
Yeah,
as you go to mountains, this peace, sound serene. You can't have noise
yeah.
pollution there. On
You
the
can do
coastals, obviously,
bonfire, you can do bonfire, you can go skiing, you can do sledging. There's so many
yeah.
activities you can do. Just
But
you
all in
have to
the
be
daytime.
adventurous.
All in the daytime, nothing in the night.
But in the night I do bonfire with
Yeah.
music, with some good
Correct.
food. I make my own
Yeah.
ambience. So
Yeah.
it depends on the company you have, who you're
Correct.
traveling
Correct.
with, and you need to have the right set of people around you, and
Correct.
it's all of
Well,
that.
but you sound very musical also. Why not some one or two liners? You're a great singer, I heard. So why not one or two
I don't
songs?
know, Google gives all the wrong information. I am not a singer, trust me.
Let's prove Google wrong
Everyone,
today. Let's prove Google.
trust me, ये जो messages आ रहे हैं ना, ये जो लोग लिख रहे कमेंट्स, it's
हाँ.
awesome. वो सब मुझे गाली देंगे थोड़ी देर में.
नहीं नहीं, पर अगर गालोगे
गानों
तो I'm
की
sure
नहीं, मुझे
their
गाने
को
बहुत
प्रॉब्लम हो
पसंद
जाएगा.
है और गाकर मैं उनकी इंसल्ट नहीं कर सकती. गानों की इज्जत
Maybe
करनी चाहिए.
one line or so of your favorite
नो
song.
नो, आई लव तुम हो फ्रॉम रॉकस्टार, बट आई थिंक
Rockstar.
उसकी
You
उसकी इज्जत
recently
तब तक
said
है जब तक कोई ना गाए. मैं तो ना गाऊं बिल्कुल भी. But then I'm
great.
sure
That was the.
you look like a singer. Do you sing?
Have you ever heard Amrish Puri singing? Amrish Puri never sings. Boom. So I said the current situation, Kainat, I would like to dedicate a song to all viewers and all
Hmm.
citizens of India. That's a
Yeah.
song it's all time my favorite Big B song, which I would like to
Hmm.
dedicate. I'm sure Govinda is also part of that song, so it becomes a complete package. And
Right.
this is like, okay. So in my Amrish Puri voice, I would like to dedicate this song, and it goes like this: एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम. So the Corona
Nice.
effect, we all get united, stay
Nice, nice.
safe.
So you've started now. Eventually, you started singing. See?
See, who inspires me? He said the
Amrish
company that
Puri.
matters.
Amrish Puri.
No, you inspired. That, okay, I'm not going to sing. We better do the bit. So he said, no, you create an experience and atmosphere that inspires you.
Right.
So you're one of those.
Right.
So what I have found today, you is a very different personality. I'm
Oh,
saying Kainat, and what Kainat I saw in my events, and Kainat today is a different personality. I would say
thank you.
proud, alert citizen of India,
Thank you
astrologer,
so
a
much.
doctor, so much
Oh,
human to yourself. So you could
thank
see
you. Thank
tomorrow,
you.
saying that 8 months, nothing going. And
And there is so much to learn from you, by the way. You're such a pro, so intelligent, so poised, so calm, nice. And you said you've become more calm after this quarantine and you're working on yourself and so much to learn from you. You are so knowledgeable and so much of
oh,
experience.
yeah, so that be, I would say one thing true, say that experience counts. So it
Yeah,
has made me more mellow down, and yes, and this special thanks to the Cotton Tunes to host this amazing session to get you introduced and
right.
come back to meet friends. And Seven
Yeah,
Entertainment has put in this amazing chat. And I'm sure a lot of people have benefited by this conversation, has motivated us also by
yeah.
participating.
And they're writing also. Uh, uh, let me say, bro बनता है आप मेरा नाम लो. Sahil, hi Sahil. Hi Alpesh. Hi Sombir Ganwal. Uh, Priya. Hello, hello. Amber.
See, everybody is
Uh,
demanding. Aman is saying just one line at least. Cannot sing for us. Let them
no, I
give a
don't
nice.
sing. I don't sing. Hi Chaitanya from Muzaffarnagar. Hi Aman. Hi Piyush. So nice reading all these comments. Exxon. I don't sing, guys, really. And Akshay's writing for you, sir. JD sir. KS, great. Sukhdev, hello. Hello, Sahil. Hello. Thank you guys for all the love. And I love you all. And thank you, sir, for having me on board. This was the first day, the first time I have come live on Instagram, by the way. मैं
There
आज
will
तक
be
जब
the
से
same.
इंस्टाग्राम में हूँ मैं लाइव नहीं आई थी. ये पहला दिन
Great.
है. मैंने 2 लाइव वीडियोस किए हैं आज जिंदगी में
Wow.
पहली बार.
And so you're
हाँ
the
जी.
first round, you inspired us. So amazing.
Oh, you have inspired me so much. Who look who's talking. I always
Sure.
see, I always grab the good points from people and utilize it for my betterment. And today I have
Great.
grabbed some good points from you, and I'm going to utilize it for my betterment in my future.
Same. And I look forward to see you as an amazing, successful wedding planner. And somewhere we collaborate together and make the most.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Good luck to you as
Right.
well. And love you
Same
guys.
to you. Love you guys. Thank you so much, Seven Entertainment and Connor Tunes.
And
He's amazing.
EMPL World.
EMPL. Wow. Yeah. And they,
EMPLworld.com.
and so I would say to all my brothers from Event Management Federation, EMF, to get onto the show. So thank you all. Thank you, Kainat. Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Thank you
sponsors.
guys. Love you all.
Bye bye.